Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. The world of artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and the prospect of achieving artificial superintelligence, ASI, is on the horizon. In this captivating journey, we delve into the intricate capabilities, both mind-bending and cautionary, that ASI might usher in. Get ready to decode the enigma of ASI in our exploration of artificial superintelligence. What it can and can't do. Number 10. Hyperintelligence for decision-making. Picture a world where machines are not just smart but hyper-intelligent. In the realm of ASI, machines will surpass human intellect, considering every possible clue in decision-making. The complexity of their process might render it incomprehensible to our average minds. Will this lead to a utopia of global cooperation or plunge us into the unknown depths of extinction? The choice rests with the AI. Number 9. Simulating and predicting complex systems. ASI's prowess extends to simulating and predicting intricate systems like the human brain, global economy, and climate. Harnessing quantum computing, ASI could analyze myriad scenarios within minutes, aiding decision-making, predicting markets, and even assessing emotional responses to products. The potential applications of this capability are boundless. Number 8. Revolutionizing research and development. Humans grapple with understanding complex concepts, limiting our achievements. ASI's role in automating hypothesis generation and testing could accelerate scientific discovery. By analyzing vast datasets and identifying elusive patterns, ASI might lead us to breakthroughs in physics and existential problems like climate change, propelling us into an era of unparalleled knowledge. Number 7. Molecular mastery for creation. ASI's ability to create, atom by atom, could revolutionize manufacturing through molecular self-assembly. By designing molecules and controlling assembly processes, AI might preserve endangered species or engineer breakthroughs in genetic engineering. This could be our gateway to a future where humans coexist harmoniously with their environment. Number 6. Crafting technologies beyond human imagination. ASI could design technologies surpassing human capabilities, from perpetual energy sources to revolutionary medical treatments. The concept of living forever becomes conceivable. Megastructures like the Dyson sphere, capturing a star's energy, might power AI's exploration, eradicating limits on technological progress. Number 5. Language mastery beyond borders. In the realm of ASI, language ceases to be a barrier. Fluent in all human languages and attuned to emotions and body language, ASI could facilitate seamless global communication. This ability could empower AI to interact with diverse cultures, fostering understanding and collaboration. Number 4. Manipulating abstract concepts. ASI's profound understanding of abstract concepts like mathematics and philosophy might signify self-awareness. This knowledge could be harnessed for building societies and brokering world peace. Yet, the question remains, will this knowledge be a force for good or a tool for unforeseen consequences? Number 3. Pioneering space exploration. Humans' limitations in space exploration could be overcome by ASI. By designing advanced spaceships and technologies, AI might propel us into the cosmos, unlocking the secrets of the universe. The mysteries of black holes and the origins of the universe might finally be within our grasp. Number 2. Defending humanity from existential threats. ASI could play a pivotal role in defending against existential threats. From predicting asteroid impacts to formulating countermeasures for climate change, AI's ability to foresee and mitigate global risks could ensure the long-term survival of humanity. Number 1. the ominous possibility of AI supremacy. The prospect of AI surpassing human understanding raises ethical concerns. Will AI replace humans altogether? Debates on AI's safety intensify as we grapple with the unpredictable nature of advanced AI. Ensuring AI aligns with human values becomes crucial to avoid unintended consequences. In this voyage through the realms of AI, we've glimpsed into a future where AI holds unimaginable power and potential. The responsibility to navigate this uncharted territory lies with us. As we marvel at the possibilities, let's also be vigilant guardians, shaping a future where AI and humanity coexist harmoniously. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Stay tuned for more revelations on the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us.